Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to make tomato cream at home. So tomatoes have plenty of skin benefits. It contains several skin benefiting vitamins and nutrients that can give you the skin of your dreams. Tomatoes helps in reducing the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation as well as the acne scars from your skin. Tomatoes are acidic in nature and that's why they have a huge amount of vitamin C into it, which makes your skin really glowy, spotless and clear. So this tomato cream is an all-in-one cream. It helps you treat all of your skin problem and it will make your skin spotless, clear, bright, glowing and supremely hydrated. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade tomato cream which has plenty of skin benefits. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need 2 tomatoes. And here I'm just taking these 2 tomatoes and cutting them into 2 halves. Just like so, and now we'll use a grater to grate these tomatoes. So basically we have to take tomato pulp out of these tomatoes, and for that you can also blend these tomatoes into a blending jar and make a smooth pulp out of it. But I'm using this grating method to take out all the tomato pulp out of tomatoes. So now after grating all these tomatoes, my homemade tomato pulp is ready and it will look something like this. And now using a strainer, we'll strain this tomato pulp to take out all the tomato juice out of this tomato pulp. So now after squeezing all the tomato pulp, your homemade tomato juice is ready and it will look something like this. This tomato juice should be really fine as I'm showing you in the video, and now we'll use this tomato juice to make our tomato cream. So firstly, we just have to take almost 2 teaspoons of this tomato juice in a clean bowl. Next up, we are gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. After that, we are gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Now after adding the glycerin, I'm just going to mix all these 3 ingredients so that they all combine well. And after mixing them well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just going to mix everything really well so that it makes into a smooth and a creamy consistency. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade tomato cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream should be really smooth, creamy, fluffy as I'm showing you in the video. This tomato cream has loads of vitamin C, nutrients and other skin benefiting vitamins which will help to rejuvenate your skin and will deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. This tomato cream helps in skin lightening, skin brightening and in skin tightening. It helps to remove all the aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin and will make your skin really ageless, spotless and crystal clear. It will also help to remove the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and acne scars problem from your skin and will make your skin even toned, spotless, clear and much more brighter than before. Tomatoes also helps in reducing the excessive oil from your skin, making your skin really crystal clear. It also helps in removing the dead skin from your skin and prevents acne and pimples. It also tightens your skin and relieves all the skin irritation if you have any. It's also rich in lycopene, which can repair your damaged skin and restore its natural and healthy glow. And the astringent properties in the tomatoes makes it an excellent ingredient for women with oily and acne prone skin. It also helps in skin brightening, skin lightening and helps in delaying the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best use. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar, and you can store it in any airtight jar or container in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a generous amount of this cream onto your fingers and then apply it onto your skin. And then just massage it into your skin so that your skin deeply absorbs this cream and gives you really glowy and nourishing look. And once your skin completely absorbs this cream, just leave it like that. And you can use this cream as a night cream or as a day cream. And if you're using it as a day cream, then do apply sunscreen after using this cream. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.